Hello students, welcome to our maths period. Today's our topic is measuring capacity. Now we measured the capacity of a thing which do not have a specific shape like water, coffee, tea, juice, etc. Now the capacity is measured in two different units like liters and milliliters. The smaller capacities are measured in milliliters. The thing which have the smaller capacity like a teaspoon of a medicine in a bottle, a glass of milk, a cup of a tea, a bottle of ghee. So the small capacities are measured in ml, that is milliliters, and the thing which have a larger quantity or the larger capacity is measured in liters. So the examples are here: cooking oil, petrol, water in a water tank, water in a swimming pool. So these are in a large quantity. So these things are measured in liter. The smaller things are measured in milliliter. The thing which is in a liquid, in the form of liquid, which do not have a specific shape. So that thing we measured in liters and milliliters. So here we use the symbol L for liters and ml for milliliters. So our next point is conversions. Converting liters into milliliters. Now the term which you have to remember is 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. This point you have to remember. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. To convert liters into milliliters, multiply the given number by 1000. So given example is convert 5 liters into milliliters. Now the quantity is given in liters and that we have to convert into milliliters. And for converting liters into milliliter, we will multiply the number by 1000, as 1 liter is equal to 1000. So as 5 is there, so 5 liter is equal to 5 multiplied by 1000 ml, that is milliliter. So 5 into 1000 is 5000, or else you can write the number as it is, that is 5 as it is, and append 3 zeros to the answer, to right hand of the number, that will be the 5000 ml. Now to convert the liters into milliliters, multiply the liters by 1000 and then add the milliliters. Now in that the example is given: convert 4 liter 450 ml into ml, that is milliliter. Now in question, if you see it, the two quantities are given, liter is also given, milliliter is also given. So 4 is in liter and 450 is in milliliter, and whole that quantity we have to convert into milliliter. Now ml is already in the form of milliliter, so we need not to convert the ml 450 ml into ml. We will only convert liter into milliliter. That will be 4 into 1000 and will add that to the answer, that is plus 450 ml. So 4 multiplied by 1000 will become the 4000 ml plus remaining 450 will add in that answer. So 4000 ml plus 450 ml is equal to 4450 ml. Now converting the milliliters into liters. Now it's opposite. 1000 liter is equal to 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. Now it's opposite. 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter. Now we have to convert into milliliters into liters. So first we have multiplied here for converting it into milliliters. Now for liters we'll divide it by 1000. So there are two methods are given. First example we'll see: convert 6491 ml into liters. So first method is given that in this method we have to divide the number in by 1000. So 6491 divided by 1000. Now how many zeros the thousands have? 1 2 3. So last three digits will consider as a remainder or ml, and first digit will consider as a liter. So 6 liter 491 milliliter. So your answer is here, quotient is 6 and remainder is 491. So the 6 as a quotient, so that will be considered in liter, and 491 that will be considered in milliliter. The method 2 is also given. So as I told you, 6491, the last three digits will consider as a ml and the first digit will consider as a liter. So 6 liter 491 milliliter. This second shortcut method is also there. Now with this we'll start our exercise 4.10. Convert into milliliters. Now first is given 5 liter. To convert liter into milliliter, what we will do? We'll multiply the given number by 1000. So 5 into 1000 is become 5000. So we'll multiply it first. 5 into 1000 is equal to 5000 ml. Now second one is 9 liter. So 9 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 9000 ml. Third one, see 9 liter 45 milliliter. So and that we have to convert into milliliter. So milliliter is 45 is already in milliliter. For only we'll convert 7 into milliliter. So for that we'll multiply 7 multiplied by 100 and we'll add 45 in that answer. So what will be the answer? 7 multiplied by 1000 is become 7000 plus 45. So what is the addition of this? Is 7045 milliliter. Now next is, I hope you can try last one. Question number 2, convert into liters and milliliters. First is given 3000 ml. Now the trick I told you that last 3 digits will consider as a milliliter and the remaining digit will consider as a liter. Now last 3 digit is here 0. So 0 ml and remaining is 3. So 3 liter 0 ml. Now 5689. So last 3 digit is what? 689. So 689 is our milliliter and remaining is what? 5. So 5 is our liter. So 5 liter 689 milliliter is our answer. Next 8176. So ml. So last 3 digit is 176. So 176 ml is in ml form and remaining is 8, that is in liter form. So 8 liter 176 milliliter. This is how you can solve. I hope you can try last one.